Hey guys, so this is my groomsmen's box that I made. Well, with the help of my fiance, we did them together. And this is actually for my little cousin Ruben. He's one of the groomsmen who I'm really excited that's going to be in the wedding. So here's what's inside the box. So some of you guys don't know, we're actually getting married September 7th of next year. So we thought we would do a little something for them. We got them a rum, which is Mount Gay rum. This is actually a rum from Barbados because we're getting married in Barbados. So we thought it would be really nice to get rum from the country just to commemorate of where they're going. And then on the tag, as you can see, we kind of demanded them to be groomsmen. It was no question about it. So on the tag, I also did this on my Cricut. If you guys have one, it says your service as a groomsman has been requested on the date. And then if you flip it to the back, it also says you can't say no because Patty said so, which is totally true. So I think that would be a really cute thing for them. They'll get a laugh out of that. And then also in the box, we gave them 2 cigars so that they can smoke on the day of the wedding or maybe the day that they receive this. Who knows? You know, just a joyous occasion, so why not give a smoke? And then they also have a cigar cutter as well, just so that they have something to cut. And then what we also thought that would be nice is to give them a shot glass that says Groomsmen and then their name, which I also did as well, and then on the back it has the date, so that it's like a commemoration and they will be able to take a shot the day of the wedding, you know, just to get down those wedding jitters if he ever has any. I hope he doesn't. And I think that's about it. So that's the box, and I'll just show you inside of it one more time. So if you guys have any questions, I'll leave the sites as well as where we got these things. FYI, it was a killer to find this rum. Oh my god, it was so crazy. But thanks. If you guys have any opinions or suggestions or questions, let me know. Bye.